Coming up in this video, I've got a kind of a Jack Daniel's cocktail using a bit of tea. Got a kind of a peached tea, so stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I would love it if you subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. Right, this cocktail, today's cocktail, another kind of whiskey. I'm just using Jack Daniel's. You can sort of flip this out for most of your sort of bourbons, American bourbons. I haven't tried it with Irish, and I'm not a huge fan of Scotch, so it might work with those, but I'm going for Jack Daniel's in this. It's going to be a highball cocktail, but I'm going to make it in my cocktail shaker. Now, the first ingredient we want is some Peach Puree. This is just the brand I use. I shout about them quite a lot in my videos. Long life, shelf stable, perfect for you guys at home or in your pubs and bars. Even once open, they keep for ages. So this is ODK Peach Puree, and I just want 25 ml of this. Lovely, jubbly, proper, vibrant peach puree. Perfect. There we go. Now the second ingredient we want is some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I just want 15 ml of lemon juice. 1.5. Now we need our booze elements. So the first thing we want is our Jack Daniel's. Now I want 50 ml of this. I'm just going to wash the rest of the puree out of the little end. So 50 ml of Jack Daniel's. And actually, I don't know what I'm talking about. That's the only booze in it, because the final ingredient is your tea. Good old English tea. Just black tea, unsweetened, no milk in there. Cornish blue, because I'm Cornish, and I've gone Smuggler's Brew. That's what I use. There we go. So again, 50 ml, 25. Perfect. Just about got all that peach out of there. Right, all we need to do now is ice that down and give it a good old shake. There we go. Pop a tin on, hard and fast for a good 12 seconds. When that is nice and chilled and all the peach is blended in there, oh, it smells delicious. Oh, just going to single strain it into a highball glass. There we go. Now I just want to top that up with a bit more ice. And actually I'm going to top it up with crushed ice. And then to garnish for this, I've got a lovely ripe piece of peach. And I think just to set the colour off, I'm just going for a mint sprig as well. Right, there we have it. As always, I haven't got a name for this cocktail, so stick your name suggestions in the comments below. Popping up on screen now will be even more Jack Daniel's cocktails for you to check out on my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Big shout out, as always, to all my Patreons. Thank you so much for your ongoing love. Cheers. Oh, that's so good.